Actually, this is the question number 7. It has been question number 6 has been mentioned twice. So previously what we solved, and this is also mentioned as question number 6 in the sample which is provided. But this is the question number 7. So let's see what actually the question asks us. What energy conversion is taking place in the figure below? If you see the figure or the arrangement, what type of energy is taking place here? So what actually it's showing? So you are burning something, and because of that burn, the heat is generated. And heat is, I can say, the heat is generated means temperature increases, and also along with generating the heat, the, I can say, the light is also radiated. If the heat is generated, temperature increases and light, because we, it's that the region is getting more brighter, it becomes more lighter as we, glow the bulb in a dark room, how it makes a brighter. In the same way, wherever you put a fire, definitely you gonna get it. So if you want to do the experiment, just take a matchbox and see what happens. Okay, so that is what happening. So it is something it happening with the increase in the temperature, and or I can say in terms of energy, thermal, and also I can also say another thing, like, the burning the wood here. So wood we are burning. So let's say what words we have used here. So this is the theoretical question. The first option saying this, is this operation, whatever the arrangement is representing, nuclear to chemical and electrical energy. So is this representing the conversion of nuclear to chemical and electrical? No, this is wrong. Basically, when we talk about the conversion of, the when we talk about the nuclear energy is basically the energy formed due to the nuclear fusion or fission. But there is nothing called the nuclear fusion or fission. So that's we are burning something. So this is not the right answer. A is not the right answer. Electrical to thermal and mechanical. So electrical, so when we are talking about the electrical energy or electrical, it means we need to represent the some components of electricity. So that is resistor, current, voltage. That is what the electrical energy it makes. So here in this case also the arrangement refers to nothing to do with this electrical energy. Wrong. Chemical to thermal and electromagnetic. So what is the chemical to thermal and electromagnetic? So if you don't have this exactly, I don't know what whether it is true or false, just keep it a question mark and we can check out the next option. So if you are able to eliminate, even though you are not sure about what you're gonna choose, if you are able to eliminate the which are the following cannot be, then the remaining will be your answer. Let's assume that as of now we don't have any idea about what chemical to thermal and the electromagnetic is. So look at to the option D, mechanical to electrical and chemical. No, this is also not a mechanical energy. So why I am saying it is not mechanical energy? Mechanical energy is basically the energy possessed by a body or an object under motion, or it's like the change its position. So like, the kinetic energy and the potential energy, this is what the mechanical energy is. And the mechanical energy, it's basically the sum of the kinetic plus the potential energy, K plus U. But there is nothing existing when like we look at to the arrangement shown here. So definitely our answer to this question, it's gonna be option C, that is chemical to thermal and electromagnetic. So why I'm saying it's a chemical, because when you're burning something, it's basically like, this is a chemical. So whenever you're burning something, that whatever the energy which has been stored in that wood, it is released as the thermal and electromagnetic. Thermal, as I said, heat is generated, and the thermal. And what is the electromagnetic? It also radiating the lights. It also radiating the light, because when I'm saying brighter, it means the light rays are radiated from that one. That's why we can say the thermal and the electromagnetic. So C is the right answer to the question.